Shifter inserts get a lot of use. Shifting so many times over the years can add some serious wear and tear to your shifter inserts, resulting in scratches, chrome fading, and even flaking off. You'll be happy to know we've got the identical reproduction you need. Hey, Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 67 Chevelle and El Camino center console shifter inserts. Our 1964 through 65 shifter inserts are manufactured from die-cast metal and feature a rib design on the outer edge. 1966 or 67 shifter inserts are manufactured from injection molded ABS plastic. All inserts are manufactured with a beautiful chrome plating as well as a velvet smooth satin black paint on top of the surface, just like the factory originals. In addition, we pre-drill all the necessary mounting holes so your inserts will be ready to mount up to your original or Resto Parts reproduction console with these. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.